How's it going, lighting crew? My name is Jaime with Industra LED. Today, I'm doing a product presentation on our round UFO High Bay. They come in 100, 150, and 200 watt models. This fixture offers 140 lumens per watt, has an 8-year warranty, and it's IP65 rated, which means it can be placed in wet locations, even outside. The body is completely sealed, so it's very unique. Other high bays from other manufacturers I work with are not as durable as this one, and the cost per watt are almost the same. It has a 0 to 10 dimming feature, and not just any kind of dimmer. It has a programmable smart dimmer. An accessory occupancy sensor allows the unit to dim in areas where no one is working. And if your facility receives a lot of natural light, there's another sensor available that dims the light in the presence of daylight. That saves you money during daytime operations. And both those sensor features are available in one shared sensor unit. Everyone knows by now that LEDs drastically reduce the amount of consumed electricity and ultimately save money. We've done the math for you. The LED equivalent high bay replacing a 400 watt metal halide reduces consumption by 62% and provides a better quality of light. In a warehouse operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, the 400 watt metal halide equivalent will pay for itself in only 12 months. And that is without using occupancy or daylight sensors, which can add an additional 10% overall savings. That adds up to 72% of the energy dedicated to your current lighting system. This model is rated for over 50,000 hours of use, compared to only 20,000 hours of use for a 400 watt metal halide bulb, drastically reducing the up and down maintenance required for your lighting system. And if you consider there's an 8-year warranty and only 1 in every 2,000 units that are in the field now ever fail, you can have confidence that long-term payback is guaranteed.
Your AC connector is here, and you have a convenient cable to suspend the unit and assist during installation. You have a die-cast aluminum body with Phillips LED chips and a Meanwell driver on the inside of the casing. Some things you should be aware of. If you don't somehow cap or tape off the pigtail ends of the dimmer, after installation, if they touch ground, the driver will fail within a few weeks, not immediately. So make sure whenever you're working with any LED fixture that has a dimmer, whether an LED flat panel or high bay, the dimming wires need to be protected from touching anything. Once you cap these ends, secure the pigtail so it does not dangle, and you should be fine.
So that's my round UFO LED High Bay presentation. Call or email me to discuss your project. And as always, thank you for watching, lighting crew.